So you can see right here, boys, I'm packed up. Woo! As you can see, I'm packed. I got so much shit here. I don't even know. We're probably gone for like 2 nights, but I overpack all the time because I'm an OCD freak. But welcome to the new video. Woo! But no, welcome to the video. I'm just packed up, about to go to my mate's house, put all this shit in his car, and then we're gonna go to the island and hopefully have a mad time. This video, I'm just gonna say it already because I already talked about it in my last videos. Don't take me seriously. I'm an idiot and I do stupid things because it's fun and I'm young and everything I say, it's a joke, okay? I joke around. Life's too short to take seriously. So enjoy the video and have a laugh. If you're gonna be easily offended, don't watch. Pussy.
I said wait till I get my money right, then you can't tell me nothing right.
Yeah, mate! Go, ride it off.
Yes, the boys.
Do it. Watch out.
Yeah, it's feeling nice. Are you alright?
Yeah, the boys! Got close. Are you going again?
Will! That's fucking sick, bro. Add no more.
Wait, watch this, boys. Watch this.
Go, Craig.
Go. Send it.
Jump out of the way.
Send it for the boys. For the boys!
Go!
Send it.
Go!
Well, you got it, man.
Go, Kramer.
Wait.
We need a bigger runner.
No, we need the chair.
Chuck me that 20 back. Jump it.
You got it, mate. You got it. Send it for the boys.
I feel like I got this.
Nah, you got it. Send it for the boys. For the boys, mate.
Yeah, fuck
Hey! You got it again. Go again, mate. You going the 3rd time in a row.
How grazed are ya?
Oh, you graze your elbows up, mate?
You're fucking crazy.
You going again? Let me get a different angle, bruh.
Oh, no, let me film this. I need to film this. You're my hero. Hold up,
Don't go again, you fucking.
Ah, no, you got it. You got it. You're right. Go for the Wasp boys, mate.
What's up, boys?
You got it, mate. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Well, the cops aren't keen on a photo.
No, they might be if you wait till they're finished.
If you had something to say to the young youth, what would you say?
Is that a video?
It's a video. What would you say?
Drink in moderation and look after your friends.
And look after the ambos.
Look after your friends.
Us too.
That's the best thing you can say.
Are you ambos and the cops these rivals? No. You just like each other?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's your sleep of?
Yeah, let's look at your tat. It's too dark.
I like it.
And dragons and everything.
What was your first one? First tat?
Ned Kelly when I was 16.
Oh, that's fucking
mad.
dope.
You guys want to see some cool tats?
Yeah.
Or cool tat, singular?
Wait, I'll get my flashlight out and then we can see your tats.
I need magnifying.
Give us a gaze.
Tattoos? Oh, not you.
Show us your sick tat.
Show us your sick tattoo.
Ready? Wait for it.
What is
It's
it?
a cactus. I'll beat it. 20 bucks.
That's fresh,
20
mate.
bucks is like
That's a fresh one.
I reckon this wins.
Hey, I got this one. It is a nice ass.
Yeah, see that one right there? Thank you.
Let's go.
What's the word?
Security! We're getting it lit up in here. What's up? Wait, do you want to say something to the camera? If you had to say something to the young youth, what would it be? Wait, it's not wide enough.
Let me do it.
There we go.
Alright.
What would you say to the youth?
Have a good time and be safe.
Be safe.
Be safe.
Do you reckon they
have a good time.
Don't drink or drink?
Have a drink, but not too many.
Not too many drinks,
Alright, dude.
20?
Nah, 20's too much.
20's too much.
Yeah.
Have a good time.
Moderation, boys, like the Embo said. I don't even drink. What is it?
So I had it across my boots.
Get them out. You won't.
I'll give me your ass out.
Go on.
Go.
Weak.
Go.
It's like half rubbed off though.
You're all talk.
You're up to it. You ain't got shit.
Private footage, just for me. Private footage. We're just going to watch it later.
I'm private. You can come back to ours.
Yeah, let's go.
Come back to ours?
He's all coming back to ours?
Is there a party there?
Yes.
Yeah?
You know the drummer?
Well, you should kiss for the camera.
Us.
If you two kiss, I'll kiss him.
Really?
I'll kiss him, you just gotta kiss first. Skids?
You think I'm really shit though?
We're probably not gonna kiss.
Yeah, we're not.
No, you actually should.
No, we're not gonna. That's not happening.
That's a dog act.
Kiss Will, kiss Will.
You can kiss me if you want.
Are you gonna film it? No, tonight. I'm just got down here, so you have to take one. Will, go.
Aren't you a home wrecker? G'day. Oh yeah, I'm making a video. Do you want to be in my video?
No, it's alright.
I'll turn my light on.
Yeah, I'll film. Give it here, I'll film.
If you could say one quick message to the young generation, what would you say? Nah, come on. Give them a good word.
Ask the other one.
This one will.
Please.
I'm not doing it.
Please.
What if you just send one quick message to the younger generation? What would you say?
Say I love you all.
What would you say to the kids?
Say I love you all.
Be safe.
You heard it here.
What about you?
Be safe.
Be safe.
Safety first, you heard it here.
Safety first.
Yeah, let's go.
First rule.
Safety's always first. Hands down. Wait, can I see your gun?
No, safety first.
Safety first.
What's up, brother? Oh, I'm good, I'm good. Yeah.
So many
Look at them all, bro. Wait up, they're my homies. Bring them, come on. Come on. They're everywhere. Look at them, they're fucking... Let's go, come on, brothers. Come on, come on, come on. We're gonna get, once they're close over there, we're gonna catch one for sure. Look at them all, they're mad. Let's go. This way. Keep coming. Wait. If you're gonna throw a big bit, let me get ready to catch. Yeah, that's that. Come on. Close, because I want to catch one.
walking the whole way here.
I've been walking until I can cave.
I know one hit the deck. It took me so long to get here. You get, oh, they collided. Going 40 seconds.
Oh fuck! Yeah, the fucker boys. Got it on camera. Yo, beauty! 7:05 in the morning. I'm just getting home. This is mad. Massive night last night. I don't know how much I filmed, but I decided I'm going to put both the videos together. So this video has probably been way longer video. I'm so tired. Drive safe, people. We nearly died on the way home because the chick that was driving was tired and almost fell asleep, but I'm wrecked. Hopefully the video is good and funny. There was a few little things that were funny in that. As the coppers said, mate, drink in moderation, have a bit of fun. But apart from that, I'm wrecked. I'm going to go home and sleep, and then I've got a comp in like 2 days, so I'm just going to rest until then. Keep it real. Yo, I caught a seagull yesterday. That was sick. That was actually dope. But yeah, nah, it's all in a bit of fun. So I don't take anything too serious. I was on holidays having a bit of fun. I look so bad right now. I need to sleep. I haven't slept for that long. But yeah, it was all within a bit of fun. I'm sober. I don't even drink, and I had a mad time. But yeah, just don't take things too seriously. I'm on holidays, obviously having fun. But now I don't even know what the next vlog's going to be. But I'm definitely going to sleep. I'm so tired. Just got home.